Hi, my name is Steve Hannibut. I own a sales tax consulting firm here in Texas. I produced this video to help businesses that have come under a Texas sales tax audit know what to expect and how to deal with the issues that come up. The best advice I can give to a taxpayer whose business has a material amount of tax-free sales is get your resale and exemption certificates in order as soon as possible. Make sure they are complete. That means no blank lines. Make sure that you have all of them for any sales you made that you did not charge sales tax on. While these certificates can be obtained during the audit, in other words, after the auditor begins his review, there is a higher threshold for verification once the auditor begins his fieldwork, so it's better off to do this early. Next up, review the auditor's work. Now, I know this may sound fairly intuitive, but you'd be amazed at the issues I've run into that a basic review of the audit results have uncovered. Quick example. This is from an actual sales tax audit I worked on. The auditor scheduled an invoice for $13,930. Even though the taxpayer told me that he didn't have a resale certificate on this purchase, I said that I still wanted to review the underlying documentation. Well, when I reviewed the actual invoice, I saw that it was actually for $139.30. The auditor had inadvertently keyed in the amount wrong and had moved the decimal point over 2 spaces. Now this is key. Because this was part of a sample, this error was projected out against the entire population of the audit, and the audit liability was inflated over $16,000. All because of a data entry mistake. I have many more examples like this, but the moral of the story is, take a look over the audit and review the supporting documentation for accuracy. Okay, moving forward. Let's say that the auditor has given you his preliminary results and the news isn't good. The first thing you can do if you're bumping heads with the auditor is request what is known as a reconciliation conference. This is a fairly informal meeting with the taxpayer or the taxpayer's representative, the auditor, and the audit supervisor or manager assigned to this particular audit. I've had a lot of luck with these reconciliation conferences, particularly when there has been some kind of a roadblock or miscommunication between the taxpayer and the auditor. So you find yourself in a situation where you truly believe that you are in the right, you're trying to explain things to the auditor, but the auditor just isn't getting it. The good thing about a reconciliation conference is that the auditor has to defend his position to another person, a person higher up the ladder, before the audit results are sent to processing. Basically, the taxpayer gets the ear of someone else who has the power to alter audit findings before they become official. If things still don't go your way and the audit results are sent to you in a notification of audit results, you still have rights to appeal. Check out my video on the appeals process if this is the case. To let you know a little bit about me, I have a BBA in accounting, a Master of Science in taxation, I'm a CPA, and have 10 years of public accounting experience. I started Sales Tax Specialists of Texas in 2005. Most of our engagements are structured on a contingent fee basis. This means that if we provide a benefit, we are paid based upon what we save our clients. If we don't save you money, we are not compensated. If you would like to hear more about our services, or if you have any questions at all, you can contact me at the information you see on the screen. I'm Steve Hannibut. Let us know if we can help. Best of luck with your audit.